Hello ma'am, good morning. I have deactivated the 10 web builder because of you can easily customize and design with Elementor, edit with Elementor here. So please don't active this plugin. So if you activate this plugin, you can see I have activated, and then I have refreshed this page. You can see not have changed. This is simple, easy. But if I go the resume page, then resume sample page, you can see the design has contradictory. You can see. So please deactivate this plugin. And one more, I have reload this page. Just refresh, and you can see